My name is Olufowora and then I'm into real estate investments. I joined the Adobe masterclass for a reason. Basically because of video editing, and so far so good. I can say that it has been very educative, and I can tell you right now that I can actually do all those things on my own. And the whole class happens to be practical. So I can tell you that if you're looking for somewhere to learn graphic designing, video editing, Adobe Masterclass is the best. I'm telling you categorically, it's the best in town. I really enjoyed myself, very educative, and our teacher was very, very, very a funny man, and very he's a good teacher, to be honest. I really enjoyed myself.